In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a BoldTrail CRM account. To get started, head over to the official BoldTrail website. Once you're there, look for the option to click Get Started or Schedule a quick demo. Either option begins the process of setting up your account, so choose the one that fits where you are in the decision-making process. Next, fill in your contact information. You'll be asked to enter your first name, last name, phone number, and email address. Make sure everything is accurate, because this is how BoldTrail will reach you during onboarding and account setup. After that, enter your company information. Add your company name, choose your team size, and select your job title. This helps BoldTrail understand your business structure and recommend the right setup for your account. Before moving on, take a moment to review everything you entered. Once it looks correct, submit the Get Started form. After you do that, BoldTrail's team can follow up with you about the platform and the onboarding process. Keep an eye on your email after submitting the form. As your account setup begins, you should receive onboarding communication from BoldTrail. New customers may also receive an on-ramp login, which is used to track onboarding milestones and progress. When you receive access, log into your BoldTrail account and begin the setup wizard. Inside the wizard, carefully review the account information shown and confirm that all of your details are correct. This is a good time to catch anything that may need to be updated before you continue. You'll then choose the website domain you want to use for your BoldTrail powered website. Follow the prompts to configure the domain properly. After that, submit the required IDX request so BoldTrail can connect your MLS feed to your website. Keep in mind that MLS approval may be required before your website can fully launch. As you continue through setup, choose your smart number. This will be part of your communication and lead management system. Then select your service areas such as the counties or markets you work in based on your MLS coverage or your preferred focus. Next, complete the website intake by providing the information needed to customize your site. Review your branding and business details carefully, since this helps shape how your website will appear to clients and leads. From there, BoldTrail's implementation team will review your website and account setup while also waiting for any required MLS or IDX approval. Once your IDX is approved, schedule your launch call. During that call, the team can review your account, make edits, and help prepare your website for launch. After your account is live, use the welcome email to invite your agents to the platform. Then import your existing leads, clients, and contacts into the CRM and organize them based on your workflow. Finally, set up your automations for lead follow-up, marketing campaigns, and other CRM actions. To make sure everything is working correctly, add a test contact, check your lead management workflow, and test your notifications and automations.